Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on options here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on audio here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to playback amplifier here. So then you click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me playback amplifier disable with us now. And here can you select here if you want to add it here. So here can you select in this list on your Zello app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.